Hello guys, welcome to BrainyBuddies. Today can you guess what we're learning? We are learning about, yes, algebraic expressions and equations and 10 simple tips to solve them. Let's move on to the top. First, you need to understand the vocabulary. You need to understand what are expressions and equations. What are expressions? Expressions have no equal to signs. They cannot be solved but only simplified. Do you want some examples of expressions? 3x plus 4, 10x plus 6, 7n plus 3. These all are expressions. They do not have equal to signs and they can only be simplified. What are equations? Equations contain an equal to sign and they can be solved to find the value of x, n or any other variable. Example 3x plus 4 equals to 10. 10x plus 6 equals to 100. Just like that, you can solve to find x. There'll always be an answer and it contains an equal to sign. Let's move on to the next slide. Second, combining like terms. What is the concept of combining like terms? Only terms with the same variable and exponent can be added or subtracted. Let's suppose there are two variables or two terms which have different variables, different exponents. Can they be added? Can they be subtracted? Can they be multiplied? No, they cannot even be operated together because they have different variables and different exponents. What is the reasoning of this concept? Why is it like this? Combining like terms with the same variable and exponent, those terms, if we combine them, it simplifies expressions and equations and makes them easier for us to solve. Let's do some examples. So here we have 7x plus 2 minus 3x plus 5. What are some like terms here? We have 7x here and 3x as like terms. So 7x minus 3x. You know why I wrote 7x minus 3x and not 7x plus 3x, 7x multiplied with 3x? That's because there is a minus sign just in front of 3x. So that's why I will write 7x minus 3x. I hope you understood. Let's do another. 2 and 5 are also like terms, right? And I also wrote 2 plus 5 and only plus here because there is a plus in front of 5. So 2 plus 5 is another. 7x minus 3x plus 2 plus 5 is we semi-simplified the expression. Let's simplify it more. What is 7x minus 3x? 4x. And 2 plus 5, 7. So 4x plus 7 is the simplified expression. Let's simplify 7x minus 4 plus 3x plus 12 minus 2x. Now we have some like terms which are 7x, 3x and 2x. So we have 7x, 3x and 2x here because they're like terms and it's 7x plus 3x because there is a plus sign in front of 3x minus 2x because there's a minus sign in front of 2x. That is a whole group and another group is minus 4 plus 12. Okay, minus 4 plus 12. That is another group, this is another group. So what is minus 4 plus 12? 8. And what is 7x plus 3x? 10x. 10x minus 2x, 8x. So what is the answer? 8x plus 8. Now let's do another one. Oh, this also seems long. Is it tricky? No, it just seems long And using logic, we can solve it easily. So 5a plus 3b minus 2a plus 6 minus 4b. Let's find out the like terms here. 5a, 2a, 3b minus 4b, and 6 is just single. It does not have any other like term to combine or compare with. So 5a minus 2a plus 3b minus 4b plus 6. Now that is an expression that I have semi-simplified again. We have to simplify it further now. What is 5a minus 2a? 3a plus what is 3b minus 4b? 3b minus 4b is minus b. But I also wrote minus 1b here just for your reference. In question papers or exams, you can just write it as minus b because b is a variable which is equal to 1. So it's equal to minus 1. But just for your reference here, I have wrote it as minus 1b. So minus 1b plus, now plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus, right? So 3a minus 1b plus 6 is your final simplified expression. Now, I hope you understood the concept, and let's move on to the next slide. I'll just delete all this. Yes. Now, using the distributive property. How to use the distributive property in algebraic expressions or equations. The concept is the distributive property lets you remove parentheses, which just means brackets, by multiplying the term outside by each term inside. If there is a common term, it will just help you remove the brackets by multiplying the common term outside by each term inside. Now reasoning. What what made it like this? Why is it like this? Necessary. It is necessary when parentheses or brackets are present. Prepares the expression or equation for more simplification or solving. And my note to you guys is do not forget to distribute the negatives. If there is minus 3 into something into the terms inside, then you have to put minus to the term inside also. You cannot discard the negative sign because that will make your whole answer different. Positive is not equal to negative, right? So let's simplify some equations and expressions. Ready for this? Let's do it. Now 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 6. How is it 2x plus 6? Here we multiply 2 with x, which will give you 2x. And we also multiply 2 with 3, which will give you 6. So there is a common term outside the parentheses or brackets by which we multiply the terms inside. So we multiply x with 2, 3 with 2, and 2 is the common term over here. That's how we got this simplified equation. Now let's simplify this one. This is a negative number, so do not forget to distribute the negative signs. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Got it? Minus 4 into minus 2. Guys, remember it's minus 2 because there is a minus in front of the 2. So do not get confused with minus 4 into 2. Oh, it's minus 8 because it's not minus 8. Minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to just 8. So minus 4x plus 8 is your simplified answer. Now let's do another one. Oh, this seems tricky, but it's not. So we have 4 into 2x, which is 8x, and 4 into 3, 12x. Do it here. 4, 2x minus 3 plus 2x. 4 into 2x, 8x. And then 4 into 3, 12. So 8x minus 12 plus 2x. Now why is 2x alone? Like it's single, it's not with the 4 and it cannot be multiplied with the 4 because it is not inside the bracket or it is completely not related to 4. So just write plus 2x. Just like, okay? So 8x minus 12 plus 2x. How can we simplify this further? Got it. We just have to combine the like terms together. So 8x plus 2x. What is 8x plus 2x? 8x plus 2x equals to 10x. 10x minus 12 will be your final answer. Okay, got it? Let's do another. Minus 3 brackets 5y minus 4 minus y. Now what is minus 3 into 5 minus 15y? So we write minus 15y here. What is minus 3 into minus 4? Again, guys, there is a minus in front of the 4, so it will be minus 3 into minus 4, positive 12. Okay, so if it's positive, there's a plus. So minus 15y plus 12 minus y. Now, again, y is also single here because we cannot multiply it with minus 3. It is not related to minus 3 at all. It's not inside the brackets. Just forget it and just write minus y. Okay. Now minus 15y plus 12 minus y. Minus 15y and minus y. Those both are like terms, right? They both have y in common. So minus 15y minus y plus 12. Minus 15y minus y. Y is of course a variable which is equal to 1. So minus 15y minus 1. As they both are negative, it's just like adding them. So minus 15 minus 1, minus 16. But here you have to add a y. So minus 16y plus 12 is your final answer. Easy, isn't it? Let's go to the next slide.